Welcome back to my channel, Tiffanytori, and if you're a new viewer, please do not forget to subscribe. Okay, so today I'll be doing a 2-strand twist out on my hair using Mielle Organics Cosmetics. These cosmetics are the best. Like, wow, like this is not even no paid review. This is just my honest opinion. With me, I like to try different cosmetics. So therefore, this moisturizing avocado hair milk is my top fave so far out of the 3 products I tried, because with my hair it's very thick. So I just love like very thick creams and thick oils because they penetrate in my hair really well, and the moisturizing of it. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing everything that you need to know how to accomplish a 2-strand twist out. What I did with my 2-strand twist out, I did it more bigger than usual. I like my twist outs to be like big. I don't like when the twists are very small. Like if you could see, like this was one twist out compared to people using this as one twist out. So that's just me, that's just my opinion. And when it comes to twist outs, it's like the go-to hairstyle for me, especially in the winter time, because I don't got time, you don't probably got time to do no wash and go. So 2-strand twist out is the key. Especially you could do a high puff, you could do it up and down, you could do 2 ponytails, you could do many different styles on a 2-strand twist out. So now I'm about to show you guys how I can do this look. But first, let's get into this. Like, you can see this? Like, get into it. But one more thing I like to say is that please, if you're watching this video and you're going to attempt and try to do this hairstyle, please do not give up. Try again and keep trying until you get into this niche that you want. Because each time you make an attempt and you fail at it, please do not get discouraged. Keep on going, because you will be able to achieve this style. Trust me. I have faith in you, just like I have faith in myself. So as I section my hair, now I'm going to add some of her white peon leave-in conditioner, moisturizing avocado hair milk, and some of her styling gel. Voila! Magic! Yes! Oh! Alright, so this is the last piece that I am doing. This is like the grand finale. My favorite part. So I'm finally done with my twist out. So now I'm gonna prep and go to sleep and let it air dry, and then you guys are gonna see the results in the morning. But before I go to sleep, use my coconut oil to put on my scalp. So I just like to just put this all over my scalp, massage it in. So now about to go to sleep. My hair is fully dried now, so now it is time for me to take them out. Okay. I literally grab my hair like this and I just go like this to help fluff it out. Hi. I like. Yes, for the pop and twist out. Ooh, girl. No, but like when your hair has a good curl day, it's like your whole perspective on life changes. You're just so happy. Like nobody can bring your shine down, and that's exactly how I feel right now. Dang. Okay. Looking like cover girl, you know. Gotta gas yourself, because if you don't gas yourself, who gonna gas you for you? Nobody. Okay.